And as you can see, we have three rows, four different rows: the student, professional, firm, and the uploader. So now I can sign in.
What do you mean by the
Okay.
uploader? The uploader is like is a service provider or material provider who can upload the material list and prices.
The uploader is the supplier of
Supplier. Okay.
materials.
Okay. Okay.
So he's not maybe interested in doing the calculation, but he's just going to upload prices that the professionals can use. But then I would like to create a new database so that so you should okay, that we get database. This is sign up error.
You want to create a new database,
Yes.
so you don't have a collision from your or like remaining data or
Yeah,
all data.
exactly.
Okay.
So sign up successful. Now you can log in. But before you log in, you have to verify your account. Okay.
So you've got like a verification code in your email inbox.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
So
what
now
what is
I'm
what
going.
is the service? What is the service you are using to send an email to your inbox?
The service we are using is SendGrid.
Mm-hmm. Nice. So you are not using like a Firebase authentication service.
No, we are not using Firebase
Okay.
because Firebase does not give you control over the mail that will be sending the
No.
message.
Yes, yes. The message will be like generated from the Firebase side. You don't have access to the message. Yes.
Mhm. And I don't know, anytime it goes to the spam.
Yes.
So I think you have to go to the
Understood.
spam.
This is understood, my friend, because those services, free services to send email, will be like well known for being used by scammers and
Okay.
people who like bombardment inboxes of people with a lot of messages.
Okay, so the user is verified now. You can log in. Okay. So
Log
you
into.
notice that once the user logs in,
Mm-hmm.
this user sheet is open.
Nice. Very nice.
So you can go to the dashboard or you can go straight forward to estimate, but that will also take you to the dashboard.
Mm-hmm. Let's start from like right to left.
Oh, okay. So this is the user's dashboard.
Nice.
And we have professional tools that you can use. He can manage his supplier list here by
Mm-hmm.
clicking this button. But for now, because the database is empty, we have not yet uploaded prices of
Yes.
uh, of the materials
Uh-huh.
onto the database. So that one can only be done by the admin.
Mm.
So I want to log out and log in as the admin so that I can upload the prices onto the
Uh-huh.
database.
Yes. Or you need to be like an uploader or supplier.
No, no. As for him, he does not have access to the apps to uploading. He can also upload prices, but then his own will have to be approved by the admin before it
So the
can be
admin
used.
need to approve or confirm
Yes,
all the
yes,
data published by the uploader.
yes.
Nice.
So we see that the admin's dashboard is different from
Yeah.
the professional.
Yes.
He has the admin upload, stage uploads, uploader request there. So if you want to upload data, you can go here. And this is the uploads page.
Mm-hmm.
So the first thing you will be uploading is the materials,
Yes.
and you select the file. It's the upload is done via CSV.
Mm-hmm.
So luckily, I think I have some CSV files here for the materials.
Yes.
Okay. So it has been sent for approval. Then now you have to upload labor prices,
Yes.
upload plants as equipment, upload adjustments.
What do you mean by adjustments?
Sometimes you consider the concrete factor,
Uh-huh.
maybe waste concrete waste factor. Those are some
Yes.
of the adjustments.
Yeah.
Waste in, then the sources is the supplier sending or the price the supplier whose prices is being used.
Okay. So based on my understanding, you are not initializing your database with any static or hard-coded data. Instead,
No,
you are using this form to initialize your database with required data for your system to function very well.
yes.
Nice. That would be great.
So when he's done, he can now go to the stage uploads so that he can approve it.
Mm.
So,
Nice.
so the sources, you can approve it here.
And you can approve because now you are in the role of admin.
Yes.
Nice. If you are not admin, you cannot approve those.
You
You don't have
cannot
access.
even,
You
yeah,
can. You
yeah,
don't
you
have.
cannot enter the stage. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Nice.
And it can also tell you if the the source is unknown, if a region is unknown, or if you will be formulating its own maybe source, like unknown source or
Yes.
unknown region.
Yes.
So now all has been approved. So we
Mhm.
can now go to the dashboard and um, the, the the admin can also review the supplier. You know, sometimes the supplier will send his a request
Yes.
that he wants to upload the database with his material and his prices. So
Yes.
if he does that,
So
before he
his list
posts
of items. He want to upload his list of items to the system. So the
yes, yes,
admin need to approve and verify
yes.
his upload.
First, you have to check if he's really a supplier.
Yes.
Yeah, so when he sends it here, the admin will now go and do his background check on him. If he's legit, he will approve him here.
Yes.
So now let's go back to the user that we logged in first. Because now he has materials that he can, material prices that he can use.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So now if he goes to his suppliers, now he has an initial set of suppliers that he can select from
Mm-hmm.
that are common. So, but you can choose not to select one, two. Yeah. And he can create a new project here.
Yes. When you select like one or two supplier, what will happen, my friend? Is it like you are not allowed to choose material from somewhere else? You need to choose material from only those suppliers you have selected?
Yeah, yes. Once you select a supplier, that means that you are saying that you know his prices. So you want
Yes.
to use those prices.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is the calculation page of the, the app. And here we have what is sliding on top is sometimes the construction industry, the prices keep on changing. It's not
Yeah.
stagnant. So we need to do a version of the prices at the moment. So now the prices that are being used now would be invalid in December. And because the user did not select any source, it's automatically using the Greater Accra region, materials and prices. And when you select the supplier key, it automatically selects this region. So,
Mm-hmm.
so you know there are different regions in Ghana. You have
Yes.
the Greater Accra. Right now we are in the Greater Accra, so it automatically goes to Greater Accra.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, David, for those values scrolling at the top, as you said, they are like a real-time values, near real-time values. That's right?
They are not really real-time values. It's just showing the version of the prices,
Yes.
like the validity, the date validity.
Ah,
Whether
okay. So
yeah.
those data need to be updated manually by suppliers.
No, okay, that one will be done by the admin.
Admin. Okay, so need to
Yeah,
be manually updated by the admin.
yeah, by the admin.
So the admin need to keep tracking those prices and values and update the dashboard with the new up-to-date value.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay. So maybe a user would go straight away to start calculating for the components of the
Yes.
building. Yeah. So the components of the building, we have the preliminaries. Those are like before you start the construction, you need to check whether you have water. Um, you need to check whether you have electricity. You need to maybe do an office on the site. So this is the cost. Yeah. So this is where you can. So if you select maybe he wants to do an office, the input field will pop up on the left, on the right hand side. It will pop up on the right hand side, and he for this one, the only input he has to enter is the amount. So amount is maybe 4,000 Ghana cedis.
Yes.
Then when he clicks this, it will be calculated, and the results will be shown here. The description is site office. The quantity is just one. Total material cost will be 4,000. The rest don't apply.
Mm-hmm.
And this shows the section of the work that he's calculating for now. And this is the ground total also. Yes.
Yeah.
So the user can now proceed to go to another work section, which is groundwork. So for the groundwork, maybe we have the first one, removing trees from the site to prepare the site before putting up the building. So
Yeah.
that one is just a number. So a number of trees. Maybe when you watch the site, there are about 6 trees, and they have about they are maybe more than 3 meters wide. So you select that one too. Then when it clicks calculate, to show on the results page.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and it automatically updates in the total, showing the work section also. So
Yes.
this figure is for this work section, and this figure is for this work section. But the total is this one.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Then you can proceed to calculate another
Sorry, my friend. Where does this increase in price come from?
from the second component that he calculated.
Mm-hmm.
So first of all, he calculated for the site office,
Yes. Yes.
and now he's calculating for the trees, the cutting down of trees or removal of trees.
Yeah.
So you see that this is the description of the section, the work, cutting down and removal of 6 trees. It will state the number that he selected
Yeah.
and the weight of that he selected. Then the next item is the quantity, which is the six trees number. the
Mhm.
total material cost. He will not be needing materials, so it's not applicable. He will use maybe 6 days to cut down all the trees.
Nice.
Then the labor cost is the total labor cost will be 3,000.
Yeah, I like the level of details you are providing for the type of work
Yeah,
and time and like cost and everything. So
yeah,
I think with this level of details, I think we can get like a very accepted level of accuracy.
yes, yes. Because the goal of the app is to be accurate.
Mm. Yeah, yeah. Because you are taking in account like very, very deep details in the work.
Yes.
Exactly. Very good. Yes.
When we go to the next item,
Mm-hmm.
site clearance. I will sit on it. You notice that, we professionals, we normally use millimeters.
Yeah.
We normally use millimeters. So let's go back to the drawing. Yeah. So this is the length of the thing. Let's move it.
Yes. Yes.
And so you can't yeah. So just it's over to your account. Stating let's give it something. It's okay. So we can see this is the length of this is the length
Yes.
of so let's say the length is this is the length of the building plan, and this is the width
Yes.
of the building plan, the external width, external length.
Yeah.
So
So this
this
is
is
required to calculate the area in square meter.
yes, yes, and
Exactly.
also we have the internal dimensions like this one, the three, the bedroom. Let's say for instance,
Yeah.
bedroom two. We have
Yes.
internal dimensions. The width, the length is 3 meters, and the
Yes.
width is 4 meters. Then bedroom one, the width is uh, 2.5. You see,
Yes.
if you follow it, you see it's 2.5. It's written here. So this whole drawing has the dimensions, all the dimensions. So let's say
Nice.
we are using this one, but this one is in meters. So if you want to input it into our app,
Yes.
Yes. You first have to convert it to
Millimeters.
millimeter. Yeah. So the length was 11 meters. If you transfer it to millimeters, it would be 11,000. And the weight was no, it's 11,000. And then the weight was 9. So if you convert it to millimeters, it would be 9,000. So when you click, it will calculate the clearing of the site. So this one is just clearing of the site. In the description, you see now it gives you the area in meters, the quantity in
Yes.
meters,
Yes.
then the number of days it will take, followed by the labor cost, because materials will not be needed and plants too will not be needed. So that's the total cost. Yes. Then let's move to a different section. So the same plan, building plan. Let's take the external length, which is 11. Then the external width. So we are calculating for excavation of trench. The external width is 9. Then the spread. The spread is the width of the trench that will be excavated. So that will be something less.
Yes.
Probably 600 millimeters.
I think there is like a formulas you are using to calculate, let's say, the expenses and the cost based on those dimensions. Is that
Exactly.
right?
Yes.
Yeah. Nice.
And the professionals, they know for each component the dimensions that will be needed to calculate it. So they are aware of all this input field.
Oh.
So the next one will be internal horizontal length. So let's say here we'll take one internal horizontal length like this one, 4 meters. So yeah, so this button is what you can use to increase, because there can be more than one internal dimensions. So you can use this button to keep on increasing it until you get the number that you want. So let's take another one, maybe this one, 2,500. So these two will be okay. Then now we go to the vertical. The vertical two is, let's say we take this one, the bedroom, 3,500. Then we add another one, 5,000. What is use that one? And now the width of the trench, that one is also a little bit less. So let's say we take 700. Then we come to the depth, how deep the trench will go. So that one, so let's say we take 500, which is 550. Calculate. And it's calculated. So now we can move to the next section, which is the concrete. And this one will use the results that you get from the previous component to use automatically use that one to do the calculation. So this one, they have given you placeholder figures that you can use as a guide.
Yes.
And this one, we are calculating concrete. So the concrete that will be poured into the trench. So that will be the mix ratio. You can select any mix ratio here. Let's select this one. That will determine the strength of the concrete. So you see that that one is also has also appeared here. So now we have 3 work sections, and this is the total of the total cost. The cost right now, including labor, material, and plants. Yes.
Very
So
nice.
you can now know some clients, they want to know the equivalent in another currency. So they can select it from here. The basic one we have is USD and Euro.
Mm-hmm.
So once you click that and refresh,
Excuse me, my friend. Are you relying on some like live data from the internet, from the cloud, including
yes.
labor cost, for example, concrete cost, something like this?
We are using the general, like the labor prices like this. It's a general rate that is known by the professionals
Mm.
that they use normally. And there's an institution that governs the prices that is used.
And is those prices are fixed prices, or
Yes,
like
sometimes they do change.
they are not going to change over time?
They can change. That's why we have the
Uh,
versioning scrolling at the top
okay.
of the
Okay.
rates.
Yeah, I can see now.
Hello. I think it means the calculation you are doing right now, does it rely on any like API calls or to do some calculation?
So you want I thought say like with the fetch out from API service be or
own
no. Something. Yeah, there was no third-party API online that was providing the real-time data for us for the prices that we need in Ghana.
Yeah.
So that's why
Maybe,
we are
my
using
friend, you will be the first API provider in Ghana for those prices.
Thank you.
Because
Exactly.
yeah, because right now there is no any like competitive for you, so you have
Yes.
like a very good chance to build
Yes.
your own system and your own service and provide other products and other websites with accurate data and real-time data.
Some I think they found their market niche.
Yeah, 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 very
Yes.
good market need.
Yes. It's very uncompetitive over here right now. So.
Yeah, and because David like working very close to this field, so he's the best one to do that.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, very nice. So, my friend, can you show me like the final calculation? Is this the final block?
Click show the final calculation. Okay. Yes. So the final calculation. So he can compare the foreign currency in the results.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he can compare it here too. So the ground total. This is the final total in the
Yes.
calculation page, and it's 6,334.
Yeah.
And the equivalent is 500. So this is the API that we are using.
Okay.
the currency exchange. Yeah, that's
To convert from
yeah,
local currency to USD. Okay.
yes.
Yeah. What is this update project button?
Yeah, so once the user starts a project, it automatically saves the project
Mm-hmm.
that the user is working on now.
Yes.
Yes. So now he can update. Now it's zero. If you look at it here, it's zero. The total cost is zero. So once you
Yes.
click update, it will be updated in the saved projects. So now the total has come here and the date. So we can use this.
Is it like taking like a snapshot of your project?
Yes, yeah, it's taking a snapshot. Yes,
Oh.
taking a snapshot.
Mm.
Yeah, exactly. And it will store it on the back end.
Uh-huh. Okay, I think, but the name of the button is like a misleading a little bit because I'm not able to figure out the purpose of this button until you told me. Maybe you need to like pick up another name for this button.
Yeah, it used to be saved.
Yeah.
Initially, it's supposed to be saved,
Yes.
but because I implemented the auto save, it automatically saves it. But if that one is not implemented, you see the save button, project button, which when you
Yes.
click it will save.
Yeah. And what about generate BOQ? What is this BOQ?
Yeah, so the bill of quantities is what they use to bid for the contract.
Uh-huh.
So now that the professional knows the cost, he has
Mhm.
to prepare a BOQ that he will present when he's trying to get the contracts to work
Yes.
on the building. So that's what we call the BOQ. So when I
Okay.
click it,
Yeah.
it has three formats: the
Mhm.
PDF, the Excel, and the CSV. So we'll
Nice.
go with the PDF. But before you continue, it will tell you to input your company name and all that, because that will be needed
Oh,
to generate the.
yeah, very nice.
Yeah, this one's well, the demonstration. So so now you can go to his PDF.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. Can you zoom in a little bit?
Okay. Yes. So this is the title of the first one is the title of the project,
Yeah.
followed by the company's name. And here too, we have the company's name, the company's detail here.
Yes.
Then this is the page number.
Yeah. You should
Page number
have
here.
Exacto like a logo somewhere in this document.
As a watermark. Right?
Like watermark in the middle of the document
Yeah,
to
yeah.
just remind the people that this document is generated by Exacto website.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This will help you with like uh, being well known in the industry.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, and you have also CSV and other format, CSV and Excel. Can you show us
Yes.
the other format?
Okay. Yeah. So this
Nice,
is the other format.
nice, very nice. Very good. Okay, let's go back to the website now. Okay, uh, is there other functionality you want to show us in the website?
Yes. Okay. So, like I said, the user can save his.
Yes,
Please, can you go back to the CS guidance?
Yes. It was Excel. Or the Excel rather.
Excel, yes.
Excel format, not CSV. CSV, we haven't generated yet.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So, so now that the user have saved the project, the
Yes,
total cost here, only the total cost and the date, and now he can come here is his dashboard.
But wait, so, please, I am seeing untitled projects. Can it be changed?
Yeah, it's untitled because the he didn't input his details in the beginning.
Oh,
So it was
So,
when he was changing the
you are
beginning
using
to that.
your default title, which is untitled.
And this one is the project title, not the name of the project.
okay.
So when he goes to his dashboard,
Yes,
Okay.
he can see it here. The
this
same
record.
project.
If we open this,
And if he opens this, it will send him to where he started, where he ended,
ah,
and he can continue from there.
okay. But we lost all the details about the project. Only we saved the prices and cost, the final cost, total cost.
No, here is project title and all that is here.
Yeah.
And once he clicks the, it will automatically update.
Mhm.
Yeah, but he would have to go back and do the other ones that he did from the beginning. The previous. That was what he's talking about.
Mhm. But I'm talking about the details. We've lost the details of the expenses.
Yes. Lost it.
Only we are saving the total cost and the grand cost and grand
He
total.
used to come. He used to come. I don't know why he's no longer coming.
It's
He used
very
to
nice
come.
to be able to save all the details because
Yeah.
it's time consuming to re-enter
To
those.
imagine you have a lot. So I
Yeah.
think there's an error.
Yeah.
So I have to check. He used to work.
Yeah.
It's a CSV.
I
It's a
see that
CSV.
error in the, yes, I see the error in that console. Okay. I noticed that we have also like a couple of roles for users. We haven't yet
Yes.
like go through all the roles.
Okay. So log out. Yeah, no. Yeah, it's around. You did it. Where at the top. So okay, let's now log in as a student.
Yes.
But we have to sign up first.
Yes. My friend, can you notice the style and the theme of this nice login and log out and the home screen and landing page? How nice those pages and the style of those pages.
Come again.
The front.
I'm talking about how nice the design and the style and the theme of those pages, like landing page, login, sign up, all of those. They have very nice dark
Yes. So
style.
yeah, Salah to tell us how he did that.
Yes. Well, just I want, yeah, I know that Sadat is responsible for the front end. Just I want to suggest that if you provide the ChatGPT, for example, with an example from those pages, okay, you teach the ChatGPT about your theme and your coloring system and all those, and then you can provide ChatGPT with your front end code for other pages and asked ChatGPT to apply the same theme and the same style for those other pages. And automatically, the ChatGPT can generate the code for the other pages with the same structures, the same information, but applying the same styling and the same font, the same colors, and all of this. It's it's
Yes, we
it's
have.
not like complicated as before with ChatGPT. So you can teach the ChatGPT about your preferred theme and style, and you can ask him to apply the same theme and style for all the pages of your project.
Okay. But then we have a general CSS for every page.
Yes, yes. But why it's not applied for all pages? Like I see some pages are very, very classical and some pages are very fancy.
And we're running out of time, so the
Yeah,
dashboard page didn't have our general
yeah.
CSS.
That's why I'm suggesting ChatGPT because it's like very, very fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. But for just in suggestion because I'm very happy with this style here in this form, for example,
Uh,
looking very like stylish and like up to date.
yes.
Now we are logging in as a student. Is that right?
Yes. Yes. Please.
Ah, very nice.
Yeah. So as for him, he cannot manage suppliers,
Yes.
and but he can also save projects.
So, what type of, let's say, privileges that students have in the system?
If they can only do calculations,
Uh-huh. It's like a normal user.
yeah, like a normal user.
What,
Just maybe
there's no any
he wants
special,
to,
no special functionality, no special privilege for the students or something. Maybe in
no,
future, when you provide paid services, for example, you can give students like a discount, for example.
yeah, yeah. That's the plan.
Yeah, but at that time they
As
need to
we will make
provide
it
this,
free for them.
proof that they are
Yeah,
legitimate
because when I was
students.
a student,
Yeah,
I wasn't able to do the calculations they were teaching in class.
yeah.
I was finding it very difficult to do the calculation. And there, unless you meet the lecturer before he would show you. So if you have something like this, it will help you to be able to check whether you are doing the right thing.
Uh-huh.
So
Nice,
that was the reason.
nice. Very good. Okay, what other roles we have for the user?
Uh, the film in the uploader.
Yeah.
So the film is just like the professional, but for him, he can add a team
Yes.
and they all work together on a project.
Oh, nice. So you can like create a project and share the project among the team members, and all the team members can collaborate in
Yes.
calculating the. For example, if some side of the projects you have like some professional with concrete, you have some professional with electric work, you have some professional with
Yes.
maybe watering system. So you can, they all of them they can collaborate for
Yes.
calculating a very accurate estimate for the cost. Is that
Estimate.
right?
Yes. That's right.
That would be very very like powerful feature if you can implement.
Yes. But for
Yeah.
now, it's
Yes.
the firm is just like the professional. It
Yeah.
has the
Yeah.
same.
Yeah. But my friend, let me tell you something. I see like a high potential with this project. Very high potential. So, like, my advice for you is to keep working on this project and keep enhancing and adding features and adding because I see like a very high probability for success for those type of projects because as Rafael said, there is a need and a huge need for this type of project in the market. And I think, based on my understanding from you, uh, there's almost no competitors for you.
In Ghana,
Yeah, in Ghana, I'm talking about local market. Yes.
no competitors.
Yeah. Is
I
that
think
right?
Yes,
yes,
yes. There are no competitors.
Yeah.
I think this idea is it's not novel, but it's something that is very critical.
Yeah.
Yeah, because as Ghanaian is exploding, especially within the construction field. If we keep on working on such application, yeah,
Yes.
eventually it will go up.
Yeah, but my friend, you need to be fast because this situation will not remain forever like this. You need to be fast before other people to think about the same idea and like
Mhm.
you need to be fast and implement your idea as soon as possible, and you need to like let's say like hold your place in the market.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Okay, my friend. Can you go to the landing page, please? I want to see some. Details landing page. Like all those tabs are functioning right now. For example, if you go to the home, I think now we
Yes.
are in the home. This is the home. Is that right? Yes. And about us. Okay, very nice. Smart estimate. Start estimate. Okay. Very nice. And projects. Can you go to the projects? Project. What do you mean by project? Is it like projects that you have done in the previous time?
Okay, we have to log in before accessing the project.
Okay, so this is the user projects. Okay. Uh, okay, nice. I think when you have some user-related functionality, you always need to forward user to a login form before showing those related data. Okay, my friend. Yes. Very nice. Can you now? I think now we see like almost everything in the website. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yes.
I wanted to ask a question.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, I can. Yeah, when we're doing the projects, I think there was some button you have to tap, like a vertical and horizontal something. You tap and then you input the. Do you see what? Can you go to that side? Yeah. What if you added more and then you want to undo it? Is it possible?
Yes, it's possible.
Yeah. Can I see that?
Yeah. So you can do it here. There's a remove.
No,
When you press it, it automatically removes.
no, not that side. No.
Should we talk about inside this one?
Well,
You can go
Yes,
I
if you are doing the
yeah.
calculation.
No, as for this one, is like a menu. So you select the one that you prefer to calculate. So it is fixed. But it's the result that you did. Maybe you mistakenly did the results that you don't like. And it's showing in the results section. You can remove it.
Wait. I think
see where you're
you can see what I'm talking about. Can you go to? I just wanted to add
for now, it's not wrong, but then
Okay, so if you calculate, does it take in zero? Because if you multiply by zero, it's going to be zero, right? So does it take it zero or take it as one? Because if you can't remove it, I hope you get what I mean. How does the calculation work on that?
it's still don't do. No, it's left empty, so it's don't input anything.
It takes in zero, so which means it's going to make it like nullify your entire this one. David, are you confused about what I mean?
Yes, he hasn't got that.
Yeah, just go to that part. I just want to see something. I think it's a very good feature. Like, so it's very good. Yes. The add. Yes. So add the okay. And then we just need only two.
Maybe if you just need one.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So if you just want, let's say you do 5 over there, let's see. Yes. Okay. And then we needed to move that one.
The second one.
Yes. It can't be. So what if we calculate? What happens when we calculate?
It will tell you to input something.
Enter a value number.
Okay. So it will require you to do that.
yeah, to go to take.
It's okay. But I think if there is a way to add a rule,
Yeah, that's fine. Agree.
Thank you.
They are professional, my friend. They have a validation rules
yes, yes,
in
yes.
place. Yes, yes, yes. Any other question for the UI before jumping like a little bit to the code?
Yeah, this one I think is a more of a suggestion. Like
Yeah,
the
yeah,
rate that is scrolling over there, I think it makes the information more clouded. Maybe
yes,
if you implement like a notification button where you have a little red, if there's new notification, preferably like that's how I'm seeing. Like I'm suggesting, I don't know if
In the dashboard, we should have something like a notification icon.
yes, yes, like around where the refresh rate is, maybe when there is new refresh rate, there's a little red dot on it to show that there is a new update on it in order not to make the information really scattered. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So
and also I think what we can do in future, we can ask our user to provide us with the actual data. After, for example, after getting the estimate, you can ask the user to provide you with the actual prices after doing the project. Then you can build your own database with those actual prices. You can in future give more accurate estimations based on the geographical location, based on some details. Is that right?
Right.
yes.
So
Yeah, so that feature is there,
Yeah,
but you cannot input it for now. You cannot input it in the UI.
yeah,
You can
yeah.
only request.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, what is
Okay. Can you now jump into the code a little bit?
And then
the code.
Can you jump to the code? I don't think we have like the full time to explore the code, but we let's see the code like in general. And I want to ask you, as others, provide us with the GitHub link to the repository of this project. I want to go deeper and more details with the project code to provide you with more accurate feedback. But let me now just ask like a few questions. For example, what type of database you are using? I see like you are using SQLite.
Yeah.
yes, SQLite.
Yes. And for the backend, you are using Python Flask.
Yes,
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 last.
we are using Flask.
Yes, nice, nice. Are you using like a special? Are you using any type of special libraries for any special functionality?
I see you
Yeah, yeah,
using
they are using libraries. And I think the reason why we're having some this thing was because Dynaconf was not um, package was not installed in the virtual
Yeah,
environment before I started. But it's
yeah,
installed
yeah.
on my PC.
So, okay, the Dynaconf is working properly, but inside the virtual environment.
Yeah, it's not in the virtual environment of this machine.
Yeah, yeah. I think you can select the virtual environment from somewhere in the bottom bar. Can you see down, down, down? Where is the Python next to curly braces in the bottom? Can you see the bottom bar for the VS Code? Bottom, bottom, bottom. Can go down, go down, go down, go down, down, down. Yeah, yeah, the end of the screen. Can you see the Python? Yes, select the Python, Python.
Python. Okay.
Yes, select one, this one. Yes. Yeah, select the version again. Select the version again. Yes. Yeah. Create a virtual environment. Yeah, select this Python 3.11, 12. This one. Yes.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah. Now it's
yeah.
using it.
Now your VS Code is aware of your virtual environment.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
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 Okay.
Nice.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So you are using. I see that you are using DynaConf. Why you use DynaConf? Do you have a configuration you need to deal with in your code?
Yes, because we don't want to keep any hard-coded validation rules.
Yeah.
Because the validation rules can be changing as time goes on.
Yeah.
We made it
So are you configuring all the validation rules?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
Very nice.
all-
Can you show me one of the configuration file?
Yeah. So this one, the valid regions that we have,
Yes.
Ashanti region. So if a region is not here,
Yes.
it will not. If the user selects it, it automatically go to national.
Yes. Very nice.
The city region. Eastern.
Yeah, it's a
Oh,
mistake.
It's a system.
Yeah. So I can easily do the change here without
Yeah.
doing
Very.
it.
I'm very happy
Doing it
that
for any other app.
you are aware of using configuration files. I'm very happy with that because I hate like hard coded data or values inside the code. I always push my friends to use configuration files. So that's very high score for you, my friend.
I'm really happy with their presentation.
Yeah. Yes. So what other like special libraries you are using in the code, for example, aside from the DynaConf?
Yeah. We are also using
Flask login. Are you using Flask login?
yes. We are using Flash login.
Nice.
login.
Yes.
And we are also using
This is like for authentication. Is that right? For authentication functionality.
authentication.
Yes, that's very neat. Yes, and I think Flask login is providing you with decorator for the authentication. Is that right?
But
Yes.
we also did our own decorator using
Okay.
JWT. We are using JWT.
Yes.
Yeah.
JWT. Yes. What is this? It's dangerous.
Pardon?
You have a dependency with the name. It's dangerous. What is this?
Yeah, I think that's needed when you are doing the security for the authentication
Yes.
because we are not using Firebase.
Yes. So I think this is like a serializer to encode and decode the let's say authentication information with the security in place. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. What other dependencies you are
We have
using?
the SendGrid.
Yeah.
That's for mail sending.
Are you using Alchemy? Are you using SQL Alchemy?
Yeah, we are also using that's for the front end.
Yes. Can you scroll down, please? What is Flask Dance?
Flask Dance. That's from the front end. What did you use the Flask Dance? So right here. Okay, I think it was used for the Google authentication, but we are not complete with that.
Okay, I highly recommend you to integrate with Google services like Google Authentication, Google login with Google service, Google email service, and something like this. Okay. That's nice. I don't want to let you stay for longer. Please, my friend, can you provide us with a repository link on GitHub?
Yes, yes, we can do that.
Are you like, is the repository up to date?
Yes. So should I send it to you?
No, you can send it on the WhatsApp group. No problem. Okay. Okay. I want to go deeper in the code to see what we can improve with the code. My friend, can you provide? Do you have a README file in the project?
Yes, we have.
Okay. Do you have like a guide for me to install and run the project on my machine?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Inside the README file, do you have a guide, user guide for
So
deploying the project?
yes. So I
Nice.
think that's in the installation. If you look at the
Yes.
table of content, it's installation.
Okay. Okay. That's good. So I have a user-friendly guide for me to navigate the project. Okay. Thanks, my friend, for this presentation. First, let me say that I'm like really, like I feel like I'm very happy with what we have.
Yes, yes.
Like the level of details you are trying to take care of is very, very fascinating. And you are trying to like taking in account a lot of details. That's very nice and very professional. I think we need to work more on the UI, UX aspect of the project. We can improve a lot on those things. Um, I think your project have a high potential for success because, as Rafael said, it's like covering a high, like very good need in the market. And for your project, there is always the chance for enhance and develop and improve because this field is always like expanding and there's always like a new functionality and new need in the market. So yes, also now Shama is reminding us like working on the structure of the project, on the code, enhancing the structure, so you can apply the MVC design pattern to
Okay.
make the project like the code more readable and more easy to maintain and more easy to scale up and work on the project, especially when you want to in future when you are uh, successful project, you need to like let's say bring a development team to help you with the project. So at that
Yeah.
time, it's not going to work if you are not applying any design pattern and not structuring the code in a standard way.
Okay.
Yeah. So please, Ushama and Rafael, please provide us with your feedback.
Yes. Oh, okay. Okay. So as Osama has already mentioned, this project like really has potential because
Yes.
the idea you can see the originality within this project. You can see that it's something you've actually researched through. Like you can't fake this experience. It's something you've had as a problem and you are trying to work on. So it reflects in the codes or in this project on the whole, which I'm really happy that you are actually solving such a problem. And one thing I really want to see is the deployment level because as Ushama said, the MVP, you always have to deploy it, see it how it do in the real world, okay? So you have to do various iterations. As Sam said, you should do it very fast because right now ideas, a lot of people are having like very novel ideas every time, okay? So if you deploy it, you few users are going to use it, things will break. You can iterate on it, things will
Yes.
break, you iterate on it. Okay, so I think from here you can think about deploying it. Then we also think about scalability and all. Okay, so I think on the whole, I'm really happy about the things, and there are definitely things you can improve on, which the UI, for instance, is something, yeah, you can work on it to make it more elegant. It looks good. It looks good for this presentation, but for it to get in the real world, so it has to be more robust. Yeah, so
Yes.
I'm grateful for this. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, Rafael. Sorry, Osama, you said MVP, not MVC. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So MVP about minimum viable product. What is your idea, Osama, about minimum viable?
Yes.
Please explain to our friend. Do you want them to like focus on the MVP version of the project now and not going like like scaling horizontally with a lot of features? Do you want them to focus on the core functionality for now? Osama, can you hear us?
She's not in the position she can speak right now, but yeah. But she's writing in the comments for us. Yeah. Yeah, but
Yes. So Shama is now like contributing with us like with chat. If you want, my friend, you can read the chat from Shama.
Okay.
Hello, am I audible?
Welcome.
Noisy out. Yeah, that's right. So I'll say it's pretty much the presentation has been very good and it's been well organized. I also acknowledge that it's very impressive of the accuracy that is involved in building this app. And my experience, like Kuka mentioned, you can improve the graphics and then add media quality so that it looks very good on other smaller phones as well. I like to see that it's also well organized, the coding as well as the addition of comments to the code field. Very good. Yeah. So let's work on what we have and then push more updates to it as we move along. Yeah, the time factor might not allow us to push everything as we go, but let's work on the minimum viable product and then keep pushing as things come to mind. Yeah. I'm sure there's a lot of features that we need to unleash. This will come next time. Yeah. Good job, David, and for that.
yeah, thank you.
Thanks for your feedback. I think now we are done for today's presentation. And also, we always like look forward for more enhancement and more improvement. Please, my friend, don't forget to share with us the link for the repository on GitHub. For us to have access to the code for more feedback, more accurate feedback. Thanks, David. Thanks, Sadat, for this presentation for today. It's very rich of details. So keep working and keep moving forward. And I'm very, very happy with this project. Okay, my friend?
Yes.
Thank
I
you.
wanted to add something little,
Yes, my friend.
like a little announcement. Technically, this should be our last presentation. Okay, you guys are our last presentation, but Osama has also given one group another chance to represent. Okay, and they have up to 26, which they agreed to do it on Friday. Okay, so on Friday too, we will do one group's presentation as well. To keep in mind, but for now, we are officially closed with this chapter for the advance. Okay, we'll be thinking on the next one, which you receive updates on it over the WhatsApp page. Okay, yeah.
So that means we'll be coming on Friday. This
No,
Friday.
Friday, actually, yes. I think we'll be here on Friday. That
And then
Friday.
next week,
Is there,
and next week, I'm not coming.
next week we won't be coming, only on the Friday.
I will come back on the 18th.
What? 26th. Okay, so the 26th is when patients group is doing their presentation. So we've ended with the advanced class today. Okay, we've ended with the next step will be communicated via WhatsApp. Okay, so
Okay,
please,
thank you.
I encourage all of us to keep learning because this doesn't mark the end, it marks the beginning. Okay, the various projects that you have, you can really stress on it to make something out of it. So it marks the beginning, not the end. Okay, so we should always keep that in mind as well.
Very good.
Okay, my friends. Thanks for Rafael for the update. Thanks, my friends, for today's session. We will keep you updated on WhatsApp group for next steps. Thanks, everyone. See you very soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye. Bye for now.
Yes. So it's basically your project. Yeah.
We should rejoin the code again. Rejoin. So now rejoin.
Yes. Okay, so share your.
I are still in the call. So share screen.
Oh, you got it. The idea is very good. I tell you. The idea is very good. Thank you. You were working on it. Very frustrated. Yes. Very frustrated with this problem.
You know, especially I didn't even have this.
Sure. Right. Yes. So I'm just, oh yeah. About.
Oh, we present an idea of didn't I didn't know.
I'm really interested in that.
I can reach that. Oh, you.
Yeah. I'm not. What's the camera?
What's happening to picture on?